Ever noticed this code mentioned on your engine oil pack? Curious what this code really means for your car's performance? Let's decode it. Welcome back to today's edition of Factful Fridays, where we decode your car's engine oil secrets one fact at a time. Engine oil is your car's blood. It cools, cleans, and protects every moving part, so your engine runs smooth. SAE, Society of Automobile Engineers, grades engine oils using a numerical system based on viscosity, the oil's resistance to flow. Thicker oils flow slowly. Thinner oils flow easily. Always use the grade recommended in your owner's manual for better engine performance and mileage. Now, let's decode those codes on the engine oil cans. The term before the hyphen indicates the oil's viscosity at low temperatures, such as when the engine is cold. A lower number with this term means the oil remains thin and flows easily in cold weather, ensuring smooth engine starts and protection during cold starts. Letter W stands for winter. The number after the hyphen indicates the oil's viscosity at normal operating temperatures, which is around 100 degrees Celsius. Lower is the number, thinner is the oil, which performs best at high temperature and provide better mileage. Always stick to your manufacturer's recommended grade. It's designed for your car's best performance. And when should you change it? Around every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. Because fresh oil isn't just maintenance, it's performance. If you have any specific topic you want covered next, let us know by commenting below. See you next week on Factful Fridays. Until then, remember, Maruti Suzuki service is always by your side.